niyang mag-asawa ayon sa mga utos ng Diyos at ng mga batas ng bansang ito. Ang pinapagsama man ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful.
Ang Diyos, hindi mabuti ng lalaki mag-isa sa ilalalangkod ng isang katulong niya. At hinulugan ng Panginoong Diyos na hindi gawas ang hindi ng lalaki, at siya'y natulog at kinuha ang isa sa kanyang mga tadyan at pinapaghilom ang laman sa kanyang kakinuha sapagkat ikaw ay alabo at sa alabuhan.
So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love